We will install the base in this video, and we will using the following parts. The core machine with touchscreen, the base with 4 columns, the white LED light with FPC, the white electrode rod, electrode specific T6 bolt, the ground wire and the T6 screws. Let's start. First, we install the ground wire, flipped the core machine and top over combination over and placed it on the table. And we will see the ground wire mount hole is here. Use the T6 screw to lock the ground wire here. Second, install the white LED and the white electrode rod. See here, we will put the white LED light through this hole. Just put the FPC wire through this. Then we close the spindle cover. Put the core machine on the base. Make sure the top of 4 columns being inserted in this hole, like this. The top machine will be fixed more stable. Third, we will put the power cable of electrode through this hole. The cable terminal will appear here. Pass the end of the power cord through the hole to here. When you see the copper wire head appear in the screw hole, it is fine. Press the power cord in and use the tightening screw to fix the copper wire. Now we install the white electrode. Screw the electrode specific T6 bolt in the white electrode screw hole. Put it on the white electrode position and use the T6 screwdriver to lock it. Put the 4M stick on the FPC wire and press it to attach with electrode tightening. Fourth, connect the wires. Put the Y-axis camera cable in this socket. Use the slide lock to fix the flat wire. It is like this. Then, let collecting transformer discharging wires. Insert the end of one upper wire into the terminal of the lower one. Slide down the upper insulating sleeve to cover the wire collection point, and slide up the lower insulation sleeve up to wrap the upper one. It is like this. Then we will plug whole switch cord in this socket here. After plug in it will be like this. Then we will insert the heater power cord in this socket. It will be locked well like this. Let's turn the machine to the left side. We insert the press mode cable in the socket here. It's okay. Then we insert the align motor cable in the second socket here. Just put it in like this. Then insert another whole switch cable in this place like this. Turn the machine to the front side. The left button key wire will be mounted in this socket. It is finished like this. And the screen FPC cable will be mounted here. Just open the side lock carefully and insert the flat cable in and lock. Then put the screen FPC cable in this socket. The most important thing is that the golden finger need to face outward. The triple LED light cable will be mounted in this socket. Lock it in like this. The white LED light cable will be mounted here. Use the tweezers to put it in and press the lock. It is like this. The X-axis camera cable will be inserted in this place here. Job done like this. The right button key wire should be mounted in this place. Just insert the cable in and locked. Just like this. Then we turn the machine to the right side. Insert the press mode cable in this socket. Use our hand to put it in like this. Insert the align mode cable in this socket. Use our hand to do it again like this. This is the Bluetooth cable. We will mount it in this place. Put the cable on the right place and press it in the collecting hole on the chip. It will be finished like this. At last, we install 2 ground wires. Put the screw in the foot ring of the ground wire and lock it on the corner of the PCB. We will fix another ground wire here. It is finished like this. Then we check around to make sure all the wires being connected. When all the wires are connected, we are done.